Come on into the kitchen, Sassy Flavors family. Come on in, come on in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. In today's video, I show you how to make this delicious collard greens with ham hock. You hear me? Ham hock. Before we get started, can you please do me a favor? Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video when I push it out. Come and join the family. Let's cook. First things first, before you put your oil in, go ahead and cut your onions up for this recipe. I'm using olive oil because I didn't have any avocado oil. Then I'm adding in my fresh garlic. And as we make our way into the kitchen, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give your girl a thumbs up, and let me know how you like your collard greens. Here I'm putting in my famous delicious Epic green seasoning. You're gonna give it a good mix, and if you need the recipe on how to make this Epic seasoning, hit that description box and you'll find the link to this video. I'm adding some garlic powder here, giving it a good mix. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to add some smoked paprika, or it can just be regular paprika powder. I just love adding it into my greens. Okay, let me know in the comments, what do you have your greens with? Do you have turkey, smoked turkey, turkey tails, or ham hock? Because greens are so much better with ham hock. So once it starts to look like it's frying down and it looks like that, go ahead and add some water, or you can add your beef broth, turkey broth. I'm just adding some regular beef broth, and this brand of beef broth I like because it's the 50% less sodium, okay? Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my ham hocks, and guess what? I made these ham hocks from scratch in the oven. And if you wanna know how to make your own ham hocks in the oven, go ahead and click the link that will take you to the video on how to make your own ham hocks. Let me tell you, this is so good. Adding some more broth. Then at this time, you can add some more salt if you want, but you probably should wait. Just go ahead and add the broth liquid, let it come to a boil, and then once we put our greens in, then we can season the pot some more, okay? So we're gonna let that come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil and it begins to look like this, just one little thing you gotta do, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video when I push it out. Here I'm adding just a little bit of salt, giving it a good mix again, let it boil again. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my collard greens, and as you can see, I had these in the freezer. I chopped them up a couple weeks ago, then I bagged them, put them in the freezer, and when you get ready to cook them, you just throw them into the pot. And while the collard greens are in the pot, I'm adding some salt on the top, and as the collard greens begin to melt down, that's when you'll be able to start turning it, okay? And some collard greens, it depends on where you got it, because I remember when I got mine from the farm, they were not as bitter, but these ones I have here, they're a little bit bitter, so you gotta know how to balance it, season it well. And if you like vinegar in your greens, that's another thing you can add in your greens to balance it out. Some people add vinegar in there, some people wait until they have their own portion and they add their vinegar. I make it with and without vinegar. This time around, my kids requested for me to add vinegar. So I'm gonna add some vinegar in here, and I'm gonna taste it with the salt. Now the salt is going to be to your liking, okay? So here I needed some more salt. I'm adding some more. And I also added my vinegar off camera. So you wanna go ahead and here I'm adding some more garlic powder, I'm adding some more onion powder because it's my business and I want to make sure my greens are seasoned really well. So once you're finished with that, you're gonna go ahead and give it a good mix, and you're gonna taste, and you're gonna see, do I need more salt? Is the vinegar okay? This is where you're gonna taste. This is where you're gonna call everybody to come and taste. Hey, taste this. Do I need more salt? Hey, taste this. Okay, this is where you're gonna do that. Okay, then you're gonna cover it up and let it just simmer down some more. And if you are still here watching this video and you have not smashed that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Hit the notification bell so you never miss a video when I push it out. Go ahead and mix everything in, paste it, and if you need to add more salt, go ahead and do that. And then once you cover it, it is ready to serve. And let me tell you, enjoy this collard greens with your fried chicken, your sweet potato. Enjoy it over some rice. Oh my goodness, this looks amazing. The ingredients to this recipe is in the description box of this video. This is the best collard greens recipe you've ever had because the ham hocks are made from scratch. Follow in the next video as I show you how to make your own ham hock. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.